Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode. Oh my gosh, Nikki, you're here again. It's your girl Adi on the beat, and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a very lovely, dewy, nice, summer friendly graduation bomb makeup look. Also, I'd like to thank Nokels TV for sponsoring today's video. Nokels TV is a Nigerian streaming platform that allows you stream your favorite Nigerian movies and TV shows directly from your phone through their app, your laptop through their website, and your television. And right now, there's a series of movies that you would enjoy for only $4.99 a month. Or you can do 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. I have 1 year access because I got a support. I've watched the movie recently, Anniversary, and I really liked it. I give the movie 7 over 10 because the storyline was awesome. This woman was married to that man, but that man wanted more sexually. And she was like, I don't want to wear no G-string. I don't want to do no flips in the bed. I'm fine with what I have. Until he met this woman who was fine with doing the flips in the bed, who is fine with wearing the G-strings. But this woman, she overdid it. She fell head over heels with him, and then they started having an affair. Luckily, the Lord is good, brought the wife and the side chick together. That's how the wife used the side chick to write book. Allowed her to have an affair with her husband for 1 year, and she used that to write book and become famous. Anyways, they came and ambushed the man because they were really close friends and realized men ain't shit. Support Nigerian owned by subscribing to Nokels TV today. Now let's dive into this makeup. First thing I'm gonna do is my brows, and y'all know brows kind of takes a bit of time, so I'm just gonna speed through so you can see what I'm doing and then dive into the real mushy, dewy, juicy makeup that you are here for.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone.
First thing that you need is a primer that would keep you dewy. Right now I have dry skin, and because of that I've been loving the Goop Beauty Goop Glow Lotion. I use this for almost every one of my makeup looks. Absolutely love it. And then I use the Gucci Serum de Beauté primer. This primer is really good, and just let's let the police pass by or ambulance. Okay, so I love this primer because before applying my foundation, I like to use a concealer that will conceal these eye bags for me, but also kind of lift up this area of my eyes. And I've been loving the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer lately.
You're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most?
Now that I'm done concealing the areas that I want highlighted, I only wanted to do the under eye, but then I did my nose, my lip, my forehead. I don't know, but I was like, whoa, I'm already doing it, let me just finish it. The star of the show today is the Huda Beauty Glowish Multi-Dew Skin Tint. This is the product that will give you that glow that you truly desire, and my shade is Extra Rich, which I believe is the darkest shade. It looks really light, but once it's blended in, it's really good. Do you see how that skin glow is just next, going back in again with the concealer.
Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever
Next on the list is to set your face. You need something that would keep the makeup in place, and I know that the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking Setting Powder is one of the best on the market. I am the shade Cinnamon Bun. I'm gonna dive in with a little contour.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby.
Using a powder foundation as my contour has been one of the bestest things that I've ever done in 2021 regarding makeup. And that's why I love to use the one size turn up the base powder foundation in the shade Deep 6N to contour my face. It gives me the softest contour finish on my face that it still looks contoured, but it doesn't look ashy. For my nose, I am not really sure if I should still be using what I use for my nose, because I used my skin tone powder to contour my nose, yet it still looks harsh. I don't know what to do, you guys. You know what? I'm not going to contour my nose with my skin tone powder. What I'm going to do is put the powder all over my nose and my face. It's still catching on to the contour, but it's not focused on the contour, so it looks blended. Comment below if you understand what I'm saying. Now, to finish up the whole face, I'll be using my skin tone shade from the One Size Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation collection, and my shade is Deep 1. It's this beautiful, yummy brown powder. This is what I'm gonna do for my nose instead. I'm just gonna put the powder foundation around there. I'm not going to, take a brush and actually focus the powder foundation there to give me a softer nose contour, because I'm tired of not getting this nose contour right. To bring out the light on my face, I'm going in with the One Size Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation in the shade Dark 2. Remember, I told you this is my highlighting shade. I'm going to focus that around my eye area just to bring it out a little bit more. So now look at the side with the deep dark that I just added, and look at the side without. This one looks a little bit more blended. This one looks a little bit more on the natural looking side, whereas this one is just highlighter then contour. You want to pat it in, okay, so you're actually getting the pigment on, not sweep it, because then you're removing the old setting powder that you put on before. Looking yummy, right? What is next, Nika? Even me, I'm asking myself, what is next? Oh yes, I just received this Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow. See that? Beautiful. So I'm going to take a bit of that on my finger. I'm going to dab it on my skin first, just to melt it a little bit or warm it up a little bit. And then I'm going to focus that all over my eyes. As you notice, I did not put any product on my face, on my eyes, because I wanted something simple, something quick. It's about the skin for graduation. It's not about the eyes, but we still want the eyes to pop. As you can see, the little I added here just gave this eyelid a better look than this one.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
Put it at the back of my hand first, then pack the pigment and put it on my eyes. My hands are just not pretty, you guys. I will not lie to you, ever since I was little, I've never had pretty hands and legs, but I always had chunky legs, and I felt, Lord, why are my legs so fat, not knowing I was gonna have a nice booty, you know. But now my hands, my knuckles, they're so dark and just all over the place. Okay, so definitely I put too much on this eye, but I love it. I really love. I've been loving a lot of simpler looks nowadays. Something just quick, you know. I like to go with a natural looking waterline highlighter, and I've been loving the Makeup by Mario Master Matte Brightening Pencil in light one. I'm gonna apply that only at the end of my waterline. This is what it looks like. I love it. I love this. This makeup is giving me ginger. These are the things that I've been using for my makeup, and I have not stopped using, and I don't think I will ever be able to stop using. It's the Ilia Blue Light Filter Setting Mist. Next, my obsession for setting my face, because it gives me a very nice dewy finish, is the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray. Can you see how my face is already looking dewy? Look at all these places here. Look at all these places here. The only place is my under eye, because you saw how much powder I was just packing there. I have to fix that. I'm learning. But as of now, this makeup look is still good looking. It's still yummy. The nose contour is not even there. The next thing is the Benefit Hoola Glow Highlighter. In my last video I used this and I've been obsessed with it. It just gives me the most natural face finish. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it today. I love it. I don't want to say it's the best, too much, too fast, but I think it's the best. What highlighter you use that's doing like this? I want to know, comment below. Next, we bronze our face, and for the bronzer today we're using the Glowish by Huda Beauty. I tried this in my YouTube video. I'm trying it again. I'm not really sure if it works, but this is the shade Rich. Ooh, it works. Look at the side with the bronzer and look at the side without the bronzer. I still prefer my Charlotte Tilbury. Bronzer, and I'm gonna add it. I'm going to finish up my eyes using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me. Awesome, so it's time for the lips now, and as you all should know by now, I love me the one size busty brown eyeliner to use on my lips, and I like to line my lips when they are dry and not when they're wet, because then I get the most pigment out of every product that I'm using. I'm going to use my finger to blend the pencil in. To give it more of a blended finish. Next on the agenda, I'll use the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is my pinky sized liquid lipstick in the shade Sao Paulo. I'm just gonna put that like a few dots in the center of my lips here. I wanna give our love away, so you're not letting me, yeah. My favorite thing ever is the Sephora Collection Outrageous Effect Volume Plump Effect Lip Gloss in the shade 02 XXL Nude. And it's really good. I like the color a lot. Do you see that? Even if you didn't do well in school and you show up to the graduation hall like this, they will allow you graduate. This mascara is one of the best I've ever used for my bottom lashes. For my bottom lashes is the Gucci mascara. So it has an extra thing on the head that allows me to pick my tiny bottom lashes. You don't have to wear these eyelashes. Repeat after me. Je ne wear eyelashes nor this, because it's a bit too much for everyone or some people. Right after the eyelashes are worn, I go in with the final setting spray and I just spray my whole face. Now look at me, my makeup is done. I am looking dewy except for that stupid pimple right there. But look at my face. It's giving natural. It's giving skin tone. It's giving perfect. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Please comment below. I would like to know if you're feeling this look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to show love to Nokels TV by downloading the app and also watching your favorite Nigerian movies right now on their website and app. Available on Android and Apple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this love with your friends, families, enemies and everybody in this world. Adios amigos. Catch you another time. Peace.